I tell you, I just came to Dollar Tree. I said, I'm just here to record. But all these treats that they have that's going to have you move your feet in a place to be, they want all the money, honey. If you're looking for name brand finds, viral finds, finds that people are talking about on social, I got you. Honey, you want to stay tuned for this Dollar Tree haul. Check this out. And I tell you, we hit the jackpot. Honey, we ain't stopped. We moving and grooving. Lucky cookie. Check these amazing finds out at Dollar Tree. Honey, honey. You know, I hear music. No music is playing. But for some strange reason or another, word to the mother and brother, I hear music. This definitely is tasty, not wasty. Put me in a mind of Italian ices. Ooh, honey. Italian ices. These are good. Did I tell you gluten-free? Vegan? Honey, they ain't playing. Dollar Tree ain't delaying, but they are slaying. The lemon and raspberry. Ooh, this is a treat that's gonna have you move your feet out in the Dollar Tree streets. Now, this is the Bubs lemon raspberry. This is my first time trying this flavor. The other flavors I tried was so good. My favorite so far, I thought it was the strawberry, but it's definitely the banana and toffee. Oh, I'm in heaven. Now, this is the lemon and raspberry. These are $3 at other retailers such as Five Below. They want $5 for this. Do you mind if I share the goodies with you? Now, this is a slice and store butter keeper. This is $1.50. Honey, I'm just gonna have to grab me one of these because this is just too fancy. I absolutely love this. I hope you guys can find this. Now, this is the only color that they come in, but this is definitely movie groovy and is heavy, meaning they're good quality. So when I tell you that this item right here went viral several times. Now this is the collagen and biotin shots. Okay, get into it, Linda, and let's do it. Now, collagen is for healthy skin. All right, it's gonna support your beautiful glowy, flowy face and body, of course. Then also we have biotin, which is good for the nails, supports hair. Honey, Dollar Tree for the winnie win 10. Honey, it's so many items at the tree. Let's jump into it. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. First off, Dollar Tree has the Amber Glow Hair Wax Slick Stick. This is $1.25 and a place to be. If you guys are looking for something that to tame flyaways, honey, I'm telling you, this styling cream is absolutely amazing, like a chicken wing. Last time I was looking for the wand, right, but they didn't have it in stock. I had used this, honey, and let me tell you, really good. Didn't I tell you about the name brand finds? Yes. Now, you're looking for something brightening to make your face brighter. Blueberry extract, also vitamin C. This is name brand find Danny Beauty. Now, affordable skincare, $1.25 and a place to be at Dollar Tree. You looking for something that is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free. I gotta come through the way I do. Oh, chill. Affordable skincare. Let's get into it, Lucky Cookie. All right, so I was intrigued today when I seen the Danny Beauty. Now, this is called Treat on the Bright Side Brightening Face Serum, blueberry extract, and vitamin C. Now, you may be saying, Dina, your face looks so dry. It is. It really is, okay? I use African black soap in my skincare routine every single day, probably twice a day. Okay, so my face is dry. It's supposed to take away blemishes and stuff. Is so amazing. Absolutely love it. Now, we're going to give this a go like gel. It says on here, apply a few drops to clean dry skin in the morning and evening. Gently massage upward circular motion until it fully absorbed. Okay, over here is probably extremely dry. All right, so we're going to give this a go like gel. Am I glowy yet? Am I glowy flowy yet? Okay. Well, what do I rate this? Honey, so far, it's been like 2 minutes. I want to say this is a 10 out of 10 because I showed up on here looking ashy. All right, well, you know, the black soap. But this is good, honey. I'm already flowy glowy, okay? But this brightening cream, honey, is doing its thing like a chicken wing. Ooh. Now, if you guys are looking for cosmetic travel brush sets, now this is an 8-piece at Dollar Tree, $1.25 in a place to be. They have a few other colors. Check this out. They also have this color as well. They also have this color. Honey, honey. When I tell you Dollar Tree is coming out with all the heat, you looking for cosmetic applicators, you want to do a wing, putting on your eyeshadow, maybe you made a little mistake, honey, Dollar Tree has these cosmetic applicators. Get 100 of these for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. It is really the tea at Dollar Tree for me. Your children going back to school, Dollar Tree has these 40 wipes, Smart Apple from BioPure antibacterial hand wipes. They also have the vanilla vibe. If you guys are looking for feminine wipes, they have the pink pineapple, and then they also have the fig bloom from Orchid. You get 40 wipes for $1.25. pH balance, convenient freshness on a go, gentle cleansing for every moment. If you guys are looking for a body scrub, this is Vanilla Drizzle and also Pineapple Glow. Now, body scrubs, they are to remove the dead skin and make your skin soft and smooth. I love this. Honey, they also have the bath bombs, the Sun-Kissed Citrus. Oh, yeah, look how fancy they been. And they also have the Sweet Lemon. Now, these are $1.25. If it smells anything like that body scrub, honey, then this is key. So Dollar Tree has these gorgeous storage finds. The fact that they are small, I absolutely love this. Honey, if you want to organize your children's school supplies, you can definitely purchase these. These are $1.50. They come in 3 different colors. I absolutely love this. Now, other amazing finds that Dollar Tree has. Now, they have these storage finds. I absolutely love these baskets. I had purchased 2 of these before, but honey, Dollar Tree want all the money. It is the orange for me that's giving up all the tea. Like this. We just hit the jackpot. Oh, yes, we did, honey. If I'm lying, I'm flying, and I ain't got no wings. Check these things out. So Dollar Tree has the checkerboard. Yes, honey, we hit the jackpot. Checkerboard, the coconut praline scented, this hand sanitizer, limited edition. And then they also have the guava nectar scented. Honey, this went viral all across social. Oh, it is definitely the 4-part snackle box for me that wants all the tea. These are $1.50 for the Winnie one and times 10. Now, Dollar Tree also have like these sandwich boxes right here. These are cute. And then they also have the clear one, oh child, with the blue. They also have the purple, and they also have like this peachy color. Honey, I am liking this $1.50. You looking for storage finds for your children or even you? Honey, Dollar Tree has this interlocking stackable storage container. Now, you get 2 of these for $1.50. Looky cookie. This is great for arts and crafts or everyday items. Honey, I like this. Honey, it is really giving the tea. You looking for bacon liners? Oh yes, they got them at the trade, $1.50. Now they have different characters. They have Garfield. They also have the Smurfs, and they also have Bikini Bottom. All right, SpongeBob SquarePants. Honey, if your sheets are always coming off your bed, Dollar Tree has these sheet grippers. I never even heard of no sheet grippers until today. Now, this 4-pack sheet gripper keeps your sheets smoothly in place to keep your bed neatly made. Easy open clips have plastic inserts. Now, you get 4 of these for $1.25 for the Winnie one. Or looking for scrub brushes, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place. They have this 3-pack for $1.50. This is insane. I mean, 3 of these for $1.50. Insane in the mid-brain. Now, if you're looking for something that is really good, the clean wood, and I know it says toilet cleaner, but honey, you're gonna have to trust the process. I had used this pumice stone to clean my oven, and when I tell you, amazing to say the least. These are $1.50. Now, you can also use this, of course, to remove rust, slime, scale, and hard water stains. You looking for a good drink? If you know, you know. This is a drink that you gotta drink with your eyes closed. They can't be open because that's just how good it is. Now, Dollar Tree has the mango. Now, this is just fruits, 100% so natural mango juice. It does have pulp in it, but honey, I'm telling you, it is delicious. $1.25. They have others, and that's word to the mother and the brother. So they have the pineapple juice, and they also have the watermelon. When I tell you these are looky cookie, honey, these are looky cookies. Honey, you looking to make a sweet treat that's gonna have you move your feet. Now, have you been watching Bridgerton on Netflix? Honey, when I tell you that series is good, it is so good. Now, Dollar Tree has the Bridgerton from Betty Crocker. These puffs. Now, it comes with parchment paper. It also comes with the cream. It comes with a piping bag and cream puff mix. Honey, I am going to grab one of these looky cookie. Honey, it is the Yellowstone Blazing Buffalo style baked beans for me. Honey, $1.50 at the tree. They also have the smoky barbecue flavored baked beans, gluten free, no added MSG or preservatives. Oh, $1.50. So when I tell you Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be, they have the mini fridge pen holders. These have went viral. They also have them in so many different colors. Absolutely love this. These are $1.50, honey, for the Winnie one. Now, let us know in the comment section which color are you going for. Normally, green is my thing, like a chicken wing, but honey, I'm gonna have to say this purple is a given. Honey, let us know in the comment section what was your favorite find. Mine's definitely was this brightening, okay, affordable skincare by Daniela, I think is the name. The girl name is called, honey, and also the Bridgerton, honey, that was a Winnie win. And also those drinks, honey, Dollar Tree, you know, they just got it going on like the break of dawn. You can make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, honey, I know you feel a vibe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.